Twist the bones and bend the back.
Trim him of his baby fat.
Give him fur black as black, just like this.
Yeah?
That was literally flawless. I'm pretty sure.
Confident.
Little children, I'll take thee away.
I smell children.
Don't push me.
Don't push me.
Don't push me.
Shut up.
We are the Sandersons.
Yes, witch. Hello, everybody. It's me, Patrick Star. Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you Mary and my sisters, Sarah and Winnie, for our collaboration for Hocus Pocus. So if you guys like this, give this video a thumbs up. Check out their videos linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to mattify the face using this Cover FX mattifying primer. It is amazing because, you know, we're gonna go trick-or-treating on the corner. And yes, these girls are a blast. So we're just gonna mattify the skin. And then as far as texture, I wanna get poreless. So I'm taking the Benefit Professional primer and I'm rubbing this only on my cheeks, and to create that flawless witchy effect skin, I'm going to take this Kat Von D what is it called, foundation with this Morphe buffing brush, and as you can see, it literally makes my skin full coverage and it exactly matches my skin tone. So next I'm going to take this Urban Decay full coverage weightless concealer. It's amazing. It is like a little magic wand, and I'm going to put this underneath the eye and really conceal and reveal my natural beauty. So we're just gonna highlight all over the face. Yes, I love this because, as you can see, I really went down to my cheeks because I wanted to go for a wider face effect. And I'll show you later with contouring how I did that. Because, you know, she's a big girl. She's a big girl. She's part of the team. So we gotta make it real fierce and fleek and snatch. So that's my concealing and foundation routine. Next, I'm gonna take my favorite Air Spun powder. This is literally my best friend every day, all day, and I'm just gonna set this and press everything under the eye. And as you can see, we're really going in for a beat face. Have fun with it. Don't be scared to put on a lot of makeup for Halloween, because this is probably, like, if not the only time for you guys that want to try to be adventurous to cake on the face. So go ahead and do it. For the eyes, I am taking the Naked 3 palette. This palette is freaking beautiful, and I'm going to take this color Limit and use this as my transition color. Next, I'm going to take Nooner, which is deeper. It's a very cool rosy tone, and I'm going to take this into the crease, and then to apply a little bit of shimmer, I'm gonna apply Dust from the Naked 3 palette. I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer to the eye just to give it a little bit of glam, because my character doesn't really wear makeup, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna glam her out. So I added a little bit of Makeup Geek's foiled shadow in the color Grandstand, and I'm gonna take liner and just do a simple liner. Oh, these are revitalizing drops for your liner, and it's by Inglot as well. It makes your dried out gel liner less dry, and it makes it more workable. So I love those two products. And I'm going to curl my lashes with my Shu Iyomura lash curler because, you know, you can't be cute without a curled lash up to Jesus. Speaking of up to Jesus, we're going to roll these lashes with a roller mascara. And then we're going to take these amazing New Balance lashes in the style Dragon Lee. And my favorite bottom mascara combo is the Extended Play, and they're real, and we're really gonna go for this. Oh, I didn't include the waterline pencil. It's by NARS. It's a flesh tone pencil. It made my eyes super big because Mary has large eyes. She's very large and in charge in the movie. And this powder is amazing. It's a new powder that I have been loving, and it is the Urban Decay Mineral Powder. It really makes your skin poreless and smooth, and I literally just started using it. It's one of my favorite powders, especially since I'm filming super freaking HD. And yeah, I started getting into the facial expressions if you have not noticed. But this is my Morphe bronzing brush, and we're just gonna contour slightly. I did not contour my nose. It was super hard for me not to contour my nose, but this is it. I'm gonna contour under the second chin, and then I'm gonna highlight, making the face super wide and highlighted. And I'm bringing the highlight all the way down, like to the bottom of my nose. Do you see that? It's like to where my nose ends, making the face super round and wide. And that is the mineralized powder in the color Light. Next, I'm taking this mineral blush by MAC and really pounding on the blush on the cheeks. And I dusted a bunch on the nose, and then we just gotta blend it all together. And as you can see, I was getting into character, hunty. Yes, God. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna take this amazing, these are my favorite pencils ever. They're the Rimmel Exaggerate Liner. They're like, what, $3? And this is in the color Radish. It's a really pretty fall color. I wanted a very red mommy color. My mom would wear this color, and yeah, it's a very pretty color which matches her outfit colors. Oh, that face though. Okay, next I'm gonna take Showtime Foiled Shadow by Makeup Beacon. I'm gonna give it that extra dimension, like mommy color, and it gives me that frost look. And this is the finished look. I feel like this character is like all about the faces, even though it's not really specific. It's still very glam. You know, it's all about the facial expressions. Oh yeah, I forgot the brows. The brows I'm using this, I believe, NYX eyebrow pencil, super inexpensive. And yes, there we are, Sarah and Mary, and now onto the wigs.
Okay, everybody, now to complete the look, we shall put on the hair. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey. Oh, SJP, what's up in the house?
My glove is stuck in the wig.
Oh my god, I'm
My children, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check them out. Give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like the best. And I will see you guys next time.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away. Where? Silence!